Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Jira for 2026. It's super simple, and yeah, you'll have that sleek dark interface in no time. All right, first thing you want to do is log into your Jira account. Just enter your email and password like usual. Nothing new here. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Account Settings. This is where all your personalization options live. Now, inside account settings, scroll down a little until you see the appearance or theme section. Here's where the magic happens. Simply switch the toggle to dark mode and boom, your Jira interface switches immediately. Yeah, it's that quick. You can switch back anytime if you want, no worries. If you like, Jira sometimes lets you adjust, contrast, or select a custom theme variant. Just check the options under appearance, play around until it feels right for you. And that's it. You've got dark mode enabled in Jira for 2026. It's cleaner on the eyes, especially for long work sessions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future tips.